Alright, today we're going to take the air filter out of a KLR 650 and clean it. Now, to do that you just need a screwdriver. This door right here is where the air filter is. One screw to remove. Door comes off, that's not a big deal. Put the screw back in here so you don't lose it. Now, air filter is right here. Got one wing nut on the back holding it in. Wear rubber gloves because the filter will be covered with some nasty sticky stuff that you don't want to get on your hands. Alright, I got that loose. Filter comes out. There was the wing nut. And the filter is pretty nasty looking. It's got the filter on this plastic cage. You can pull it off the cage for cleaning. Okay, this is why you wear gloves when you're handling these things, because they are nasty. We're going to use some PJ1 air filter spray cleaner. Cleans this thing up real nice. You want to do this outside. See where it's spraying, it gets clean right away. And once you start spraying it, that's when you can see how dirty the filter really was. It's looking better already. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Now I'm going to take it and run it under some water and get the rest of this dirt off, and then we'll take a look at what it looks like after it's been sprayed and washed off. Alright, I've got the filter clean. I've got the cage back inside of it, the little plastic cage. Now we're going to spray it down with some PJ1 oil treatment spray. There's a lot of different brands of this stuff. This is just what I use. You might use something different. But when you use this stuff, you want to wear gloves because it's sticky and nasty, and you wish you had if you didn't. Alright, and it's pretty much just this. Make sure you coat the whole thing. That's it. Now you're ready to put it back in the motorcycle. Okay, I got the filter all treated and it's back in the motorcycle. All we have to do now is put the door back on. One screw. Which I just put in there for now, but I will come back and put some Loctite on those threads later so the thing doesn't back out while I'm riding. But that's all there is to changing or cleaning the oil filter on your KLR 650. Thanks for watching.